my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. So today I have like a blue smoky eye for you, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and let's get started. I'm going to prime my eyes for the eyeshadow. Now if you don't have a primer, it's okay, you can use foundation instead. Using Tail Feather from my Smashbox palette, I'm going to be applying this into the crease area with my Sonia kashuk crease brush. And I'm going to be blending this in. I'll be taking a little bit more eyeshadow and sweeping this underneath my eyes. Taking Vanilla and Bewitched from my Smashbox palette, I'll be applying this into the lid area. With my L'Oreal Paris liquid eyeliner, I'm going to be creating a wing shape on my eye. Taking Wet n Wild Max Volume Plus Waterproof Mascara, I'm just going to be doing my eye. I'll be applying some foundation on my face with my Sephora 10-Hour Wear Foundation. Take a bit of concealer and apply this underneath my eyes. Taking my contour shade, I'm going to be applying some dark as well as medium contour, mix that a bit, and apply this into the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, and underneath my neck. Taking Turn It On highlighter from my Smashbox palette, I'm going to be creating a highlight. In Guava for my Smashbox palette, I'm going to be applying this blush to my cheeks. Now, to finish off the look, I'm going to be applying some matte lipstick onto my lips. This is a tutorial. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to see some more looks.